Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn multiply by 5, 25, and 50 together, step by step. 5 is exactly half of 10, so instead of multiplying by 5, multiply by 10 and then halve. Take 48 times 5. 48 times 10 is 480. Half of 480 is 240. Done. 50 is half of 100, so multiply by 100 and then halve. 14 times 50, 14 times 100 is 1400, and half of that is 700. Same idea, just a bigger round number to start with. 25 is a quarter of 100, so multiply by 100 and then divide by 4. 36 times 25. 36 times 100 is 3600, and divided by 4 is 900. Remember, dividing by 4 is just halving twice. Let's do one together. 44 times 25. First, 44 times 100 is 4400. Now divide by 4 by halving twice. 4400 halved is 2200, and halved again is 1100. The answer is 1100. So here's the whole idea. Swap each tricky number for its power of 10 twin. 5 is 10 over 2, 50 is 100 over 2, and 25 is 100 over 4. Multiply by the round number first, then halve or quarter. It beats long multiplication almost every time. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.